Okay, good morning, children. Let us begin our chapter today, which is polynomials. These are the terms and the definitions we are going to learn today. First is constant. Constant means a symbol having a fixed numerical value. That is, it is just a number. For example, the number 7, 3, -2, 3 by 7 are all called constants. Then the second is variable. Variable means a symbol like x, y, z which may be assigned different numerical values. In different questions, different circumstances, we have their different values. Hence, these are called variables. One example, see the circumference of the circle is given by 2 pi r. In this expression, 2 pi is a constant. This is the numerical value. So this is a constant. R, which is the radius, as you all know, keeps on changes, is the variable. Similarly, the circumference of the circle, as r changes, c also changes. So circumference of the circle, which is represented by c, is also a variable here. Then the third definition, algebraic expression. Algebraic expression means a combination of constant and variable. A constant and variable, when they are mixed together and written in some form, then it will be called an algebraic expressions. Okay, for example, 4 plus 9x minus 5x square plus 3 upon 8xy. A complicated, a bigger algebraic expressions. You may write down some other algebraic expressions also, like 4x, like x square, next x square plus y square. They are all algebraic expressions. Then next definition is for term. Term means the one part of a bigger algebraic expression. That is, the several parts of an algebraic expression separated by plus or minus operations are called the terms of the expressions. For example, see in this example how many plus signs or minus signs are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus signs are there. That means there are 5 terms in this algebraic expressions. X cube first term, then 2x square y second term, 4xy square third term, y cube fourth term, 7 fifth term. So term means a part of an algebraic expression connected by plus or minus sign. Next we learn polynomials. Polynomials are special algebraic expressions in which the variables involved have only non-negative integral powers. That means an algebraic expressions in which the power of the variable is a whole number, right? Either the power is 0 or more than 0. Then only that algebraic expression will be called as polynomial. For example, 5x minus 5x cube minus 4x square minus 6x minus 3 is a polynomial. Also, this is an algebraic expression. Also, we say that if only one variable x is involved here, so this is a polynomial in x. Look for the second example, 5 plus 8 times of x to the power 3 by 2 plus 4 x to the power minus 2. This is an algebraic expression, but this is not a polynomial. Why? The reason, because see the power x to the power minus 2, which is not a whole number, x to the power 3 by 2, which is also not a whole number. So this is not a polynomial. Okay. The next thing, the polynomials are represented by px or qx or rx if they are the polynomials in the variable x, or they may be represented as py, pz, etc. if they are polynomial in the variable y or polynomial in the variable z. So in the first lecture we have learned about all these The constant means a number, variable means x, y, z whose values keeps on varying. Third, algebraic expression means combination of the constant and the variables connected by plus, minus sign, etc. Terms means the part of an algebraic expression connecting one variable and one constant. And polynomials are special algebraic expression in which the power of the variable should be a whole number. Okay.